Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go ahead and do a little quick modification, mainly for the intake system. What we're going to do is, as you can see, I can hold this up because my hood struts are out. Parts are on the way though, don't worry. But we're going to actually exhaust wrap the intake, see if we can get some cooler air coming in there as I wait to upgrade the intercooler. It's a rock arrow intake right here, guys, so we're going to start by getting this pulled off and clean the intake at the same time as well. Alright, this is our exhaust wrap. As you see, pretty simple, guys. You can get this online for about 15-20 bucks. I think this is about 50 feet. We're also going to need clamps for the wrap as well. So let's get started. So we got the intake off. I'm going to go ahead and get the filter clean first, and as this cools, we'll get it prepped and ready to get wrapped. So as you see, here's the exhaust wrap. What you have to do is soak it first. Wear gloves and a mask with this because there are some fibers that will come out onto your clothes and your hands, and that sucks. So they say the easiest way to do it is to soak it. And so when it's soaked and you got it wet, it actually gets a tighter wrap. So right now we're just getting it in there and get it soaked. So there, we'll take it back out and start wrapping the intake. Alright guys, so we got the exhaust wrap soaked with some cool water. We're gonna go ahead and try and get our first wrap. Hopefully this turns out good. Let's see. Here's the finished product. I don't know, you let me know what you think. First time exhaust wrapping, this is the outcome. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, finish cleaning the filter and put it back on the car. All right, so as you see, you got the intake back in there. Here's the finished product. You know, this is the first time doing exhaust wrapping, and I have about, I would say maybe 20 feet still left over, so if I have to change it out, I will, but this should be good for now. We're gonna go ahead and finish drying out the intake filter, get the oil on there, the oil filter oil put back on, and give it a few revs. We'll see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so we got the car started up, clean filter back on, the exhaust wrap on there as well. Here's a quick look at it.